A task that took 3 days now takes 40 seconds. AI did not kill your job, it killed your excuse to be slow. A task that took your team 3 days now hardly takes 40 seconds. If that does not make you uncomfortable, you have not thought hard enough about what it means. Subscribe to Technology Upside because the biggest threat AI poses is not to your job title, it is to your sense of pace. AI has not eliminated work, it has collapsed the time required for a high level output. This means the person who once spent 8 hours on a task now has 6.5 hours of emptiness in a schedule designed for 8. That emptiness is uncomfortable, and most people feel it with the appearance of busyness. The person clinging to slow workflows is not lazy, they are scared, because speed exposes something nobody wants to admit, that most of what fills a 40-hour week is not work. It is the ritual of appearing to work. AI made your output faster, but the system you work inside still measures your presence, not your output. And that mismatch is why burnout is rising, not falling. That is what the next video is about.